So here we are at it again on the delivery trail. We're in Waterworks.
Yeah.
Waterworks. Which parish?
Westmoreland.
Westmoreland. You know many places we went just to reach right here. We drive out all of Jamaica just to be here with this. Hey, fat boy, where you going? With this delivery just for you. So come, let me show you how we do it. This is the fine lady who I drive 5 hours when I could have only driven 2. But we're here, nice and safe. We're gonna get it to her. You're gonna help, Daddy? You're gonna help?
Come, baby.
All right. So one of our specialties is making sure that you get your big screen TV on time, safe, no damage whatsoever. Where should I take it? All the way in? I'll take off my shoes, now. All right, good. All right, don't step on the carpet. All right, just lean it up right here, so. All right, cool. Let's do the next one. So it takes a lot of lifting, maneuvering skills, but we got that, don't we? All right, take it from the side. All right, cool. There you go. There you go. Can I take a look at it? Delivered in one piece. And we're going to be making our way back to our warehouse to do other deliveries. But before we go, of course you can see, we have a lot more to get done. And these customers are waiting eagerly. And we're on our way with them. So that's how we do it on the delivery trail. Oh, you're coming? Jump in. Come here. Good fat boy gone. That's how we do it on the delivery trail. Thanks much, guys. See you again. Hey guys, I know you've been watching our videos and you should be a part of our family. You should sign up for a free shipping account with us, and when you do that, also sign up for a platinum membership, which allows you 4 free shipping coupons for the year. 4. Click the link up here and be a part of our team. Okay? Look at this gentleman. He wants to be a part of the team, right? Yeah, man. You need to sign up with us for free shipping coupon. You don't want to miss out on that, right? All right. So you're going to come on board. I know it. A new customer. He's going to sign up as well. You can't miss out on a good thing. You shouldn't too.